What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to speed up and slow down a video clip in Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After placing your video into your timeline, you can preview its frame rate on this window on the left hand side of your interface. 60 FPS is great for slowed down footage, as you still have enough frames to make sure that the video won't look choppy. The easiest way to transform the speed of your clip is to right-click it in your timeline using the selection tool. From here, navigate to Speed, Duration. On this window, you can change the speed to, let's say, 50%. This will slow down your footage, making it twice as long. Below, you have the option to reverse the speed effect, to maintain your audio pitch within your video clip, and to use the ripple edit or shifting trailing clips effect. And as the time interpolation option, set it to frame blending, in case your original footage is not recorded in a high frame rate. After clicking on OK, your footage will be slowed down or sped up. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.